Welcome to Clarify Coaching, everybody. My name is Josh, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to open, fund, and invest into a Roth IRA account in just 3 simple steps. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to need is a brokerage account. A brokerage account is simply an account that allows you to trade mutual funds, ETFs, index funds, stocks, things like that. I'm going to use Fidelity in this example. It's just because I am familiar with Fidelity. I am not affiliated with them in any way. Go ahead and do some research and find a brokerage account that works for you. So let's go ahead, get to fidelity.com, and let's get started. We're going to go ahead and click open an account. And then under retirement and IRAs, we're going to click open an account. We're going to find open a Roth IRA and click that option. This is where you'll go through the prompts to open your Fidelity account. I already have a Fidelity account, so I'm not going to go through the prompts here. So I will see you inside your account. Congratulations, you now have opened a Roth IRA account. You are 2 steps away from starting to invest in your retirement and build wealth. Step number 2 is going to be link and fund your account with a checking account. And then step number 3 is to set up automatic investing. So you do not even have to think about it. You will be investing and building wealth for your retirement without even having to lift a finger. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and link your bank account. Up in the top left, click transfer, click link a bank. Now, you might have done this when you set up your account. If you have, just bear with me. This is where you will link your checking account. Now, I've already linked a checking account, so I'm not going to go through there, but this is how you would do it. Next, we are going to set up automatic deposits from our checking account to our Fidelity account. This will help us automate this whole system so we don't have to even think about it. As soon as we get paid, that money will move into our Fidelity account and then it will move into investments. So let's go ahead and do that. Click transfer, click EFT to or from a bank. Select the account you want to move your money from. That's going to be your checking account you just linked. Select the account you want to move your money to. That's going to be the Roth IRA account you just created. And for enter your transfer details, we're going to choose recurring because we want this to be a system. We want it to be automated. We don't want to think about it. We're going to go ahead and choose a frequency. I'm going to go ahead and choose monthly. For the date, go ahead and choose a start date. I'm going to choose the 24th of every single month, and I'm not going to put in an end date because I want this to run in the background. I don't want it to stop. Every single month, I want to be investing into this account. For the amount, the max you can contribute into a Roth IRA right now for 2025 is $7,000. So I'm going to take that $7,000 and I'm going to divide it by 12. That's going to give me $583.33. That's exactly what I'm going to put in here for this transfer. Go ahead and click continue, and then you can review your transfer before submitting. Go ahead and submit. Congratulations, you are now only 1 step away from having automatic retirement account contributions and automatic retirement account investments. Now we're going to move to the investment portion. So go ahead in the top left, click transfer, click manage recurring transfers, and in the top right, click create a new activity, click investment. In the top left, the recurring investment box is going to pop up. And for security type, we will choose mutual funds. For the account, we're going to choose our Roth IRA account. For the symbol, this is where you're going to choose your investment. I am not recommending these investments to you. This is just for educational purposes only. However, I have chosen 4 example investment accounts you might consider investing in for your Roth IRA. This includes the S&P 500 Index, the Fidelity NASDAQ Composite, the Fidelity Large Cap Growth, and the Fidelity Blue Chip Growth Mutual Fund. So how much money are we going to invest into each one of these mutual funds? That really depends on you and what level and what proportion of money you want into each one of these accounts. I'm going to do an equal weighted where I'm going to divide the $583.33 between all 4 of these mutual funds. That's going to give me $145.83. So that is what I will put in here for each one of these accounts. For frequency, we will choose the same frequency that we chose for when we transferred our money from our checking account to Fidelity. So previously I chose monthly. I will again choose monthly here. Select a date. I'm going to select a date that is 1 day after I chose to transfer the money. So I believe in this example, I chose the 24th of every month. So in this case, I'm going to choose the 25th of every month. So that way on the 24th, my money moves into my Fidelity account. And then on the 25th, my Roth IRA will automatically invest into these mutual funds. For the start date, I'm going to go ahead and choose just any date previous to the 24th. The end date is going to be optional. I'm going to leave this blank because I want this again to run in the background automatically every single month. I don't want this to end unless I choose for it to end. Go ahead and click preview, review your order, make sure everything lines up, your numbers match, and then go ahead and click confirm. Congratulations, you now have set up your Roth IRA account, you set up automatic deposits into your Fidelity account, and you have set up automatic investing. You are now one step closer to building wealth automatically in the background where you don't even have to think about it, you don't have to lift a finger. This will all run silently in the background. And as always, if you found this content valuable, please like and follow along for more.